Hello everybody, welcome to the crypto realm. So today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and crypto adoption by mainstream institutions. So it's a long time coming, but it's finally here, and there's pros and cons to this, right? Because now you're dealing with the big boys, the people that have all the money. They can maneuver things sometimes however they want. Just on news alone they can do this if they put out certain articles or they say something like this or something like that. They can make it go good or bad for whatever their agenda is. So this is like the cons of having big whales into our ecosystem. But it's to be expected. This is what we need. This is what we all wanted. But we have to be careful of their games, right? Because we all know Wall Street, they're just about money. They don't care if this stuff is good for people, individuals that are unbanked. I don't know if they really care. I think they're just about money, right? The bottom line, the profits at the end of the year. That's all that they're worth in their whole ecosystem of popularity. If they're not number one, they're last, right? That's how it goes in their kind of world. So this is an older article on Cointelegraph by Yashu Gola. So 98% of CFOs say their hedge fund will have invested in Bitcoin by 2026 study. And it makes sense because it's a whole new asset class. There's money to be made, and these people like making money. And there's another thing called inflation, right? So if you actually put your money into a savings account from when you were 20 years old or even 16 working and you were responsible, guess what? By the time you're 60, you've probably lost more than half of the value. Because a coffee you could have bought at 20 years old for $2, you put your money in the bank, your money's devaluing, and at 50 years old, you go to buy that same coffee, it could probably cost $5, $6, $7 at that point, right? So you just lost half of your value just sitting there. So you need to be smart, do your own research, and find ways to make your money make money. Things like that. And crypto is the best place to do it because you have no third parties, right? You have your wallet, you have your pool for staking, done. That's all you need. No third parties, nobody in the way. You can make your own interest on your own money. Okay, so the survey results coincide with US inflation climbing to its highest level since 1992. So this is an older article, right? But now this is a new one. Cointelegraph, article written by Osada Ivan Nomeo. Hedge funds see the crypto market decline as an investment opportunity. As they should, as we all should. We shouldn't just be buying it when it's green and going up, right? We have to have some logic here. Sure, you want to make gains, but at the same time, you have to realize that what goes up must come down at some point. So, from rebalancing cash positions to announcing new investment products, hedge funds seem undeterred by the current crypto market decline. That's good news because if they're looking to get into it, around now or slowly creeping in now with their billions is probably the best time. Because they know they don't want to get in at the top either, right? Crypto market capitalization is down more than 40% since its 2.5 trillion high back in early May, but institutional investors continue to pile into the market, despite Bitcoin losing over half of its United States dollar value and altcoins taking almost 70% on average. Big money players like hedge funds are still taking up digital currency investments positions. From direct exposure to crypto to backing firms developing products and services in the digital asset space, institutional investors are building a more significant presence in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. Back in June, a survey of 100 chief financial officers at hedge funds across the world indicated an unexpected increase in crypto exposure for hedge funds in the next 5 years. Yes, if they want to be a part of the new technology, right? Remember all these people that said the internet wasn't going nowhere and what do I need an email for? Ouch, right? Even Bill Gates said the internet wasn't going to succeed. Warren Buffett, these people, they have no vision. They have money, but they have no vision. And Bill Gates, let's just not go there. As regulated entities continue to explore digital currency investment options, crypto regulations also seem to be making shape in many jurisdictions. Meanwhile, in the US, regulators such as the Securities and Exchange Commission are coming under significant pressure to enact a stricter legal framework for cryptocurrencies. I also believe the SEC said A Bitcoin ETF is long overdue. Hello. Crypto investment appealing still strong. Appeal still strong. It's always strong. No matter if the market's up or down, it's just always strong if you have knowledge backing you. Earlier in July, Cointelegraph reported that London-based hedge fund giant Marshall Wace was set to create an investment portfolio focused on digital assets. Awesome. According to the report, the 55 billion hedge fund was looking toward late-stage funding for digital finance companies and blockchain outfits working on use cases such as payment systems for digital currencies and stablecoins. Stablecoins, man, they're gonna rock the world. I'm not a big fan of digital dollars. Like if China created their own dollar and turned it into like a digital token, I don't like that because the governments and banks like to be controlling. And if they don't like what you're doing, the day of censorship now, you can't even say anything. They'll just block you on everything. And there goes your money, digital dollars. You have no cash. You can't spend cash, right? If it's all digital. So that's the enemy. We want cryptocurrency in our own pockets, not banks controlling digital currencies. And we can't even give somebody $100 out of our pocket because we can't. It's just digital. So Amit Rajapal, CEO of Marshall Wace Asia Limited, outlined the company's digital asset investment thesis, stating that the focus is on projects working toward redefining financial services, especially in the area of payments, according to Rajpal. Digital finance is already changing the architecture of the underlying financial system. Yes, people need to wake up and start being more independent. Don't look for these big hedge funds and Wall Street types and go, okay, here's my money, take care of it for me. Get a little knowledge, get a wallet, and you're off. Even before reports of its crypto-focused investment portfolio emerged, Marshall Wace had made some forays into the digital asset space. Back in May, the hedge fund participated in USD coin, USDC. I like that coin. Stablecoin user. I think it's more reliable than Tether. Circle's 440 million fundraising round. Sorry, that was a little jumbled up, but Circle, that's pretty big too. 440 million fundraising round. Jeez. Marshall Wace is only the latest in a growing list of hedge funds and other institutional investors exploring crypto investment options. In April, United Kingdom-based asset manager outfit Brevon Howard floated an 84 million crypto investment fund. Speaking to Cointelegraph China earlier in July, Cornell University professor and Avalanche creator Emin Nguyen SoRare stated that the current market downturn had done little to dampen the enthusiasm for crypto exposure among institutional investors, according to SoRare. The legitimacy of crypto as an asset class is beyond question. That's so true, so long ago, but people like to watch TV, right? And so long as the news is telling them otherwise, they don't do anything else. So stating, I have been getting contacts from retirement funds, not hedge funds, but retirement funds. Very different piece. Far more slower moving, but with maybe 10 times more dollars under their control, and they are slowly coming into crypto. Hello. Joe DePasquale, CEO of crypto hedge fund BitBull Capital, also echoed SoRare's comments, telling Cointelegraph institutional investors are still interested and continue to build positions at key support levels. Slowly and slowly, right? Naturally, the market hype has dampened, but these downturns have been historical, opportune moments for long-term entries, the BitBull Capital CEO added. A spokesperson for Nickel Digital Asset Management, a 200 million crypto hedge fund, also provided some insight into the emerging strategies among institutional players amid the current range-bound trading for cryptocurrencies. In a conversation with Cointelegraph, the Nickel Digital representative said, "We are seeing active and continuous engagement from the entire institutional community, including, but not limited to, pensions, foundations, endowments, and funds of hedge funds." Adding, recently volatility has proved to be an opportunity for certain trading strategies, like market-neutral arbitrage, while being a headwind for others, beta exposures to underlying crypto assets. In fact, it created an immediate demand for lower volatility defense funds. The investment objective, sizing, and risk tolerance are the critical factors in assessing any investment opportunity, especially in crypto. Okay, so indeed, Nickel Digital recently rebalanced its cash position as a result of the current market decline in a move the company described as an exercise in financial discipline. According to the fund's CEO, Anatoly Krakalev, Nickel Digital is keeping its investment powder dry for the future return of parabolic price gains in the crypto market. Yep, it all goes up, comes down, goes back up like a roller coaster. And if you realize every few years, it's always higher than where it was before. Bitcoin, #1 asset, 10 years. Big money players welcome more crypto regulation. Yeah, so I'm not going to go on with this. We get the drift. They love it. They're coming in. So you all need to do your own research and get your own wallets. Don't play with these boys. Make your own income. You don't need these guys. So MetaMask, DeFi, learn it, absorb it, learn how to be your own bank, and probably take your funds out of there because with inflation and it's getting a little scary, you know? It's getting a little scary. So come to the cryptorealm.com. Check out crypto art, games, exchanges, NFT marketplace. Get yourself an unstoppable domain. That's where you can turn your business name into a .crypto and people can pay you multiple cryptocurrencies to that one business name .crypto address. Or make it your personal name, johnsmith.crypto. People can pay you multiple cryptocurrencies that way. Never stop learning and be safe, everybody. Thank you for watching.